Decision making and implementing ideas are combined, but they are also separate. So I go through a process in decision making of seeing what I believe the solution to the situation that I'm facing is. And I sketch that out, and I think about in my own head, how would I implement that? So a lot of ideas are great, but if you can't implement the great idea, then it's not too good, right? So the reality is I start and I see it myself and I think about how I can implement it. And when I say, all right, I could pull that off, I take that and I put it into my back pocket. It's my back pocket plan. And to me, what that plan is, it's the worst of the outcomes. If in fact, from my team, from my company, from all of the reliable people I have, I cannot come up with any answers. I always know I can, in the worst case, pull out my back pocket plan, and I know that that decision is implementable. But the process of decision making requires you to bring all of the people together, all of the people that may have solutions to it. Now, I didn't say all of the people that manage those areas. I said all of the people that may have solutions to it. There are sometimes maybe people that just have good insight that may not be in that particular area of a company. Have them join the conversation. And then take the ideas, I lay them out on a whiteboard, in the old way of actually handwriting on a whiteboard, and I look at them. And then I simply go through those decisions without putting weight on one or the other, and I say, all right, how would we implement these? So we're taking, let's say, 4 decisions, and we'll talk through each one, and we'll say, how would we implement this? And when we look at the ability to implement, we're looking at the need to also not just do it, but to manage to it and to do it over and over in a sustainable fashion. So if it meets all of that criteria, usually as you're going through those steps, you're going to see which one sort of has a strobe light going off saying do this, do this, do this. And then because we've all contributed to it, whether it was our idea or not, we'll now go out and we'll say, all right, we've made the decision. The decision is done. Throw out these other ideas. Throw out my back pocket plan. And now let's focus on implementation. And implementation is based on the idea of how do I manage to it over and over in a dependable way.